episode, I'm just going to be, with some help of course, removing the utility hitch jack from the front because it doesn't crank up or down anymore, and then also repainting the frame at the front so that I can put on the storage box, which is here, my new utility hitch, which is under that cloth. Gonna repaint it, which is already done, and get ready for the spare tire holder and lots of other fun stuff. So thanks for tuning in and enjoy the show. Look at the difference if you look at this side. So that side. Nice. And I just used steel wool and got all the loose paint off of there. And it seems to be working pretty well. I did that on the back last year and it's held up, so that's good.